Everybody, just first and foremost, on behalf of MEI, I'd like to thank all of the delegates for their participation at the event today. We were delighted to have more than 150 delegates taking part, and we hope you had the opportunity to reconnect with some old partners and also begin some new relationships with quality language schools in Ireland. I know it's been a long and busy day for many of you, and there's still a few more meeting appointments for this evening. So, with that in mind, we're going to keep this presentation light-hearted and fun. And there's two items we're going to look at. Just the first one is going to be the social media competition that we've been running today. And then we'll launch the new promotional video, which we hope you'll be able to use to promote to your students in 2022. So starting off with the social media competition. So throughout the day, we've been running a competition where we've asked delegates to make some creative social media posts using the hashtag MEI Workshop 21. And we've 3 artisanal Irish gift hampers that we'll be sending to our competition winners. So this was, I don't have a digital drum roll, but we'll crack on. This is the first winner here is Travel edX, and it's Kevin Hunt from Travel edX is with us at the workshop today. So thank you, Kevin, for your entry and your ongoing promotion of Ireland. I've heard from a few different schools today that you've really been pushing Ireland across all your different social media channels. So we really appreciate that and your sort of earnest post today about the qualities that you see in Ireland. So really grateful for that. Thank you very much, Kevin. And then our next winner is Inglesia. They've posted a really nice gallery of some different locations in Ireland and a really nice caption, kind of fondly remembering former trips to Ireland. We hope to see you again soon, hopefully next year at some point. And Inglesia are represented by Brian Allen at the workshop today. So well done, Brian. And then our final winner is World Place Intercambio for this quirky and fun image promoting Ireland and MEI. World Place is represented by Paolo Grassi today, so well done, Paolo. And thank you to all of the entrants to the competition. We will be in touch with the 3 winners and to arrange delivery of those 3 prizes. So thank you again. So this brings me on to the second part of the presentation this evening. So as we look forward to 2022, the ELT sector in Ireland is optimistic about a robust recovery. Ireland has earned a reputation as a premium, internationally respected language learning destination. We're a small island, but we're also a dynamic and open economy. And as Ireland reopens for business, MEI can assure education agents that they can send students to MEI schools with confidence, ease, and assurance. And I suppose with that in mind, we'd like to launch our new promotional video, which showcases the great Irish welcome. So, thank you again for your participation at the workshop today. We hope you enjoyed the launch of our new promotional video. As I said, we hope that it really showcases the sort of warmth of an Irish welcome, and it's quite an intimate portrait as well of what it's like to be a student in Ireland. Um, so after the event, we'll share the new video with you along with some materials from our webinar hosts and gold sponsors, Trinity College London and Higher Education Marketing. We'll also be publishing a shorter 30-second video. A 30-second version of the same video in the next few days. So this cut down version you might be able to use on all of your social media channels. I suppose if you're not already doing so, could you please follow the MEI on social media for updates on Ireland and what's going to be happening in 2022? We can be found on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And I suppose I have one final request.